From last few videos, we're learning to deal different types of the question based on this trigonometric ratios of sum and difference of the two angles. And here we have another question. Here we have to prove that tan 70 degree is equal with tan 20 degree plus 2 tan 50 degree. So since you're looking here, this questions completely based on the tan, it means we need to use either tan a plus b formula or either tan a minus b formula. We may have to use tan a minus b formula, or we may have to use tan a plus b formula. All right, tan a minus b, the formula for this is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b, and the formula for the tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. All right, so if we look this these two formulas, one thing we can see here properly. Let's discuss here. We need to make here tan 70 degree. All right, tan 70 degree should be equal with tan 20 and twice of tan 50 degree. All right, so how we can make, first main thing is here, how we can get this two. To get this two, if we deal in this expression, if we use a minus b formula, then here is okay, if this is 50 degree and if this combinedly gonna give us 2, this is 1 already, and if we can make this 1, then 1 plus 1, it will be 2, and this 2 will multiply tan 50, and this will be like 70, tan 70 minus 20 degree, and we'll get this. And if we use here how can we make this 2? Either we have to make this and this 1 and 1, and which is not possible. Tan 70 cannot be negative, 1 and tan 20 cannot be negative, or tan 50 cannot be negative. All right, neither tan 70, neither tan 20, neither tan 50, none of the values has 1. All right, tan 45 is actually 1, and we don't have here tan 45, so we're unable to make here 1. All right, and if we make this 1 also anyhow, then that time because we can convert into the we can make it 1. How? I'm telling you, if it is tan a, all right, if it is tan a, and if we can convert this tan b into the cot a, then that time tan a times cot a, that's gonna be 1. So 1 minus 1, it's gonna be 0, and in the denominator if we get 0, that's gonna give us some indeterminate value. All right, so this formula is not going to work here now, so we need to use this formula. All right, here is plus already, so we don't have a problem. See here, this is plus, right? So this is 1 already, and tan a and tan b, if we convert this tan b into the cot a, if we can convert, then tan a times cot a will give us 1, so that this 1 and 1 will be 2, and this 2 will multiply this 50, so we'll get 2 tan 50. It means we need to write here 50 degree. All right, so 50 degree is equal with, now it is 70 and 20, and we know that 70 minus 20 is 50 degree, so I can write here now 70 degree minus 20 degree, and next time I'm going to take the tan both side. All right, so tan 50 degree is equal with tan 70 degree minus 20 degree. All right, and now I'm just going to use the formula of this tan a minus b. All right, tan a minus b. So the formula for the tan a minus b, right, let's first write this is tan 50 degree, and tan a minus b is tan 70 degree minus tan 20 degree divided by 1 plus tan 70 degree times tan 20 degree. All right, and as I told you, the next our step is to convert this tan b into the cot a. All right, so this is tan 20 degree. Let me first write here, this is tan 50 degree equals to tan 70 degree minus tan 20 degree, and then 1 plus, now this is tan 70 degree. All right, and as I told you, we need to convert this tan 20 into the form of cot. So what I can write now, what we had learned, that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So based on that, tan 90 minus, now this is 20, right? So tan 90 minus 70, all right, will be definitely cot 70, and here we get cot 70, here we have already tan 70, and the product of tan theta and cot theta is actually 1. All right, because this is perpendicular over the base, and this is base over the perpendicular. All right, so this and this will cancel out, that's how we'll get 1. So now I can write this tan 20 as a tan 90 degree minus 70 degree. All right, and in the next step, this our tan 50 degree is equal with, now tan 70 degree minus tan 20 degree divided by 1 plus now tan 70 degree times this tan 90 minus 70. I can write now here cot 70 degree. So here this particular things is going to give me the value of 1. All right, this particular thing is 1. All right, so this is now tan 50 degree. All right, that is actually tan 70 degree minus tan 20 degree divided by 1 plus 1. All right, this value is 1. Now what I can write now this is 1 plus 1 2, and this 2 is going to multiply this thing, so we'll get here tan 2 tan 50 degree is equal with tan 70 degree minus tan 20 degree. So we have here negative thing, all right, negative, and let's take this into the left hand side, because you know we have only tan 70 in one side and rest of this into the other side. So let's keep this tan 70 one side. All right, I mean 2 tan 50 degree, and this minus will come this side, so it will be plus, so it will be plus plus tan 20 degree is equal with tan 70 degree. So if we rearrange it properly, then we will get tan 70 degree equals to tan 20 degree plus 2 tan 50 degree, and this is what the question is asking us to prove. All right, and now it is proved. All right, this is how we need to prove it. So you know, we have a lot of ways to prove. You know, sometime we go from left hand side and we show right hand side, sometime we go from right hand side we show left hand side, or sometime we write some expression and then we convert into the some trigonometric ratios, and by solving those things as we did here, we get the final result. All right, so basically we use three types of the method to prove this. Any type of the trigonometric methods. We can solve LHS, or I mean left hand side, sometime we solve RHS, or sometime from a given statement. All right, I mean sometimes question gives us statement, or sometimes we have to write the statement, and taking taking any trigonometric ratios, you know, we have to solve that, and finally we'll get the expression what we need. All right, I hope you understand this, and if there is any confusion in this explanation, then please feel free to comment below this video. I really appreciate to hear something from your side, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. All right, catch you in the next video. Goodbye.